Where the hell?
Is not.
Pay attention.
Those two again. A lady and a gentleman.
Certain.
Quite certain.
That's
The Lutesses or whatever.
It's quite close, but it's wrong.
That was the same note.
Here.
Stop it! Stop it! You don't know what you're doing!
Ha! There it is.
You've done it now. He's coming back. He's coming back.
The notes were correct.
The instrument was not.
One needs both to get his attention.
But if you know how to sing to him...
He will take you where you need to go.
When will I ever get any answers from these two?
Would you care to hear anything else, brother? Perhaps a waltz?
How the hell is...
Who are you?
We are where we are needed.
And needed where we are.
So Comstock uses these songs. Are there others we can use? Something to keep the bird off our back?
Perhaps you should ask the maestro himself.
So where is he? Of course. Well, at least they left the piano.
Getting a bit tired of them.
Booker. That's Comstock House. If we're gonna find him, we should start there.
The Vox are coming! We need to leave the dock! We need to push off immediately! The Vox are coming!
Where are these people going?
Wherever the Vox Populi ain't.
Anywhere that isn't here.
Jump! Honey, I can't do it! I cannot do it! I'm sorry! I love you, but I can't. I can't do it. I'm sorry.
You need to remove your belongings or we can't take any more people! The barge is full! You're going to have to remove some of your luggage if we're going to fit more people on deck!
Oh god, what the hell is happening here? I'm just gonna leave them alone to their troubles. Off to Comstock House. Do something about Songbird.
The barge is at full weight! We're taking off now! Disembark!
I guess they left all this stuff behind. It's impressive technology here in Colombia. But we knew that before.
I found some money. Want it?
Always.
Do it!
There.
Always good. Oh, really? Vending machines in Colombia? Thanks for the tip.
What do you got, rich boy, huh? Take it all. What's
Come out where I can see you!
Oh, okay. Not good. By the way, did you have anything useful? Just, you know, to interrupt the fight completely. There we go. Nice. And I think that's about it. No sniper, no handgun, hand cannon.
Watch out, Black Cannon! Booker, here!
Thanks. Oh, need to reload.
Sorry, that's all I've got.
Are they on the ship? They might be. If nothing else, I know they're at least there. Can we find some sort of... Where is... First of all, where is he standing? Oh, hello. Oh, I'm gonna go around.
Do it.
There you go!
I can use the electricity on the water puddle.
Ammo! Take it!
Thank you. Oh, hello. What the hell are you doing here? Did they literally just sneak up behind me? I guess they did.
On it!
Man, I'm loving this shield. It's getting quite good now. Oh, a lot of health and soda here. What are you? Oh, it's just cover. I don't necessarily need cover right now. He says, and then desperately wishes he had some cover.
Why is it that we never catch a break?
Yeah, I am also very much wondering the same question. Everywhere I go, people are trying to kill me. And at this point on, it's not even about you, Elizabeth. We're in this whole weird world now. And they want to...
This,
Fitzroy wants to kill me.
do you think he wanted any part of this?
Did you?
Why didn't that... No, it did work, because no one was actually standing in it.
Help
Let's
me out
go.
with this lock.
Looks easy enough.
Wait, was that something over here?
What is it about that song that brings in the bird?
It always has. When I was younger, I used to be excited when I heard it.
Excited.
He was all I had. He fed me, brought me books. He was my friend
Friend.
until I grew up. And I hated him because he was my warden. He's just Comstock's pet, isn't he? Just like me. There you go.
I don't know how much free will the Songbird has compared to you. Jesus.
Look at this. Fitzroy's no better than Comstock. Was she?
No.
Once people get their blood up, it ain't easy to settle it down again.
This is on our hands, isn't it?
No, it isn't. We may have created the world, but the motivations of people are their own. The person who pulled the trigger is the killer, not the people who created a world where that could exist. Oh boy. Charge unlock. Do we need to replace? I don't want to replace. Oh, I guess current thing, I guess. I can still switch, I suppose. Too expensive. Is this a new power? Oh, it is, yeah. Probably something I missed at some point. That seems cool. Tornado blow!
Here's some cash.
No, just getting those. There we go. I'm not going to finish me. There we go, lockpick.
Can you open this?
Seems easy enough.
We have plenty of lockpicks, so that shouldn't be an issue.
There.
There's actually anything here, though. A heater. I'll stick with these weapons. This is what I've actually done upgrades for. Did we come from here? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Can we climb up the... Nope. But we can do this.
You bet. Take your time. I'm fine down here.
I know what gear is. Why do you keep... Brief vulnerability. That seems pretty cool. What's the comparison? Equip this. And some money. What was that? Alright. $1 bill, y'all. Get some ammo. Oh, full. Let's get a move on then. Let me know if you find anything interesting. Oh, hello. I have an idea. Holy crap, that was cool. That was very cool. I think I just found my favorite vigor. Holy crap, that was awesome.
This prophecy business. You don't think anyone can really see the future, do you?
I saw something once when I first got here. A dream. It was New York, but larger than any New York I ever saw. It was burning.
Hope none of the prophet's magic is rubbing off on you.
I don't know. With all the things I've seen, I'm not gonna say that anything is definitely off limits.
I have salts!
Oh, come on. There we go.
Catch, Booker!
Oh, I got him down.
Want to hold on to this?
You're just full of good stuff and surprises now, aren't you? Well, thanks for the barge. I guess we are on our way.
That's foolish.
What's foolish? What'd I do?
Booker, grab that lockpick.
I have 16, so don't you worry.
A little help?
I'll give it a whirl.
Where are we
Done.
going now? Just out of here, or? Oh, we're going to the Comstock house to find out what to deal with the Songbird, I suppose, but... Sniper rifle.
I just realized who those two are. They, well, at least she, invented the technology that allows the city to float.
Giant balloons.
Quantum particles, suspended in space-time at a fixed height.
So, not giant balloons?
But the thing is, my book said they disappeared several years ago.
I told you they'd come.
No, you didn't.
Right. I
Who
was
says?
going to tell you they'd come.
But you didn't.
But I don't.
You sure that's right?
Something tells me they're not exactly what they appear.
No shit.
I told you they'd come?
No,
The subjunctive?
that's not the subjunctive.
I don't think the syntax has been invented yet.
It would have had to have it been.
Had to have had been. That can't be right.
They seem to want to help.
They seem to be out of their
Odd,
minds.
isn't it?
What's odd?
The fact that we sometimes...
Finish each other's sentences?
Exactly.
It would be odder if we didn't.
How do you suppose they manage that?
I'll get back to you after I figure out the floating city bit.
Everything is way too strange here for me to ever doubt anything. I'd recommend you keep the same sort of frame of mind, Elizabeth.
Come on. Comstock
Hell, your
house is
power
up.
alone is sort of unexplainable. Robert and Rosalind Lattès.
You hold on to this.
More coins.
The seed of the prophet shall sit the throne. He was grooming, wasn't he?
Comstock? Yeah, I think so.
And why lock me up?
Well, I'm guessing you didn't want to be groomed. Maybe he had something in the works to make you agreeable.
Thought they'd stay on top forever. Ha! Look at them now.
Elizabeth, what the hell? Are they gonna fight me?
Shoot everyone!
Yes, they are. Why don't they just leave me alone? Oh, radio now starts talking. According to the subtitles, at least. Oh, that's been pretty cool. Expensive, but it's great. Let's get it. Now we barely have any money.
More money. Here.
Speak of the devil. Can we get in here? Yay.
Locked. Elizabeth?
Looks easy enough. It's done.
200 smackaroos. There's lockpicks everywhere. I don't think I'll ever run out. Oh, hellfire. Still not a fan of any of the weapon these two, honestly.
Rise up, brothers!
Alright, hold on. Let's try this new charge thing.
I lost him!
Holy crap. The level of coolness has just been kicked up 20 notches. I'm never switching out of this figure.